Hello you guys, my name is Lauren. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another cleaning video. Today I am 38 weeks pregnant and this is some of the last cleaning I'm going to be able to do before I have my baby. We do a little bit of everything, nothing super crazy because I am super pregnant, but we are pretty productive today. So if you need some cleaning motivation, this is the video for you. You can put me on to get motivated, put me on to clean alongside and keep you company. So let's just hop right into this video. So here is the gorgeous before of my dining room and kitchen. There's an absolute mountain of dishes because I had been cooking all day, as well as making a triple batch of banana bread for my freezer stash for when we have the baby. And I made a huge crock pot of chili again for my freezer stash and for dinner that night for when we have the baby for the freezer stash. So I'm going to start with the easy stuff, start by clearing off the dining room table, putting everything where it belongs. Sometimes this dining room table definitely turns into a catch-all. So I'm taking everything to where it actually belongs and then wiping down the whole table with my Miss Meyer's multi-purpose spray. Now working on this mountain of dishes, I'm going to throw on my gloves and use super hot water with my Dawn antibacterial dish soap. I absolutely love this stuff. It is as good as like Dawn Platinum, but it is green apple scented, which is my absolute favorite. And the antibacterial is just, added benefit. Gotta love that. Kill all the germs. And I'm going to hand wash every single thing and then throw it in my broken dishwasher that I use as a drying rack. Look at all those dishes. I cannot believe I powered through that. And hopefully I won't have this many again because I am done with my freezer stash, so I won't be doing any extra cooking. So now I'm on to wiping down all the cabinets. This is obviously not something I do for everyday cleaning, but I thought this was the last time I'm going to have this kind of energy that I had on this day for probably the rest of my pregnancy, and it really, really needed to get done. This is something that I kind of do like once a month. I put Pine Allen or whatever multi-purpose cleaner I want to use that day in my cleaning bucket with hot water, and I just use a cleaning rag and I wipe the counters, all of the cabinets, my bar stools, like every single thing, all my appliances, I wipe them down top to bottom. Like I said, I try to do this about once a month. If I see something, I'll clean it, like spot clean it, but I do the entire kitchen about once a month just to keep on top of everything. The cabinets definitely get greasy. They get touched a lot. They get food splatter. It's been raining, so my dogs come in and they shake and they get mud everywhere on the bottom of the cabinetries. So gotta wipe all that stuff off. And today I just happen to have the energy, so I gotta get it done before this baby comes. If this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, hello, welcome. My name is Lauren. I'm a stay-at-home wife and mother. I have a husband, a toddler, and one on the way, obviously. When I was filming this video, I was about 38 weeks pregnant. I have no idea where I'll be when I'm posting this video. I'm trying to do a ton of pre-filming before I pop so that y'all still have cleaning motivation while I recover. So yeah, I'm sure I'll announce it in some way on this channel when I do have my baby. On this channel, I do a ton of cleaning and cooking motivation, just stay-at-home mom life stuff. I've been vlogging a little bit throughout my pregnancy, and I do have a second channel that's all about self-care. So if you need a little bit of self-care as well, especially after you're done cleaning, you can head over to my other channel. And thank you for watching. If you decide to subscribe, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I was using Pine Island today, but you can use whatever you want. I've even used Dawn dish soap before. I just love the Pine Island because you have the floral scent, and oh my gosh, if you love floral scent like me, you will love the floral Pine Island. They also have a lavender and they have a pine cone scent, which I usually about this time of year will start to switch to like the pine scent or just like regular original pine sol, because obviously I want to get in that like fall winter mode. But today I just wanted to use the floral Pine Island because I absolutely love it. And then after I dumped that out in the sink, I'm going to clean the sink. So I'm going to just use Dawn dish soap and my dish sponge to give the sink a good scrub down, get any dirt, gunk, food particles rinsed all the way down. And then I spray the entire inside and the perimeter of the sink with half water, half vinegar. And then I just wipe down the outside to make sure there's no water splatter or anything like that. And then that is completely done. I let the inside of the sink dry. The vinegar helps it dry completely spotless and odor free. And that is the kitchen done. And then it's on to this living room. So I definitely have a lot to pick up. I just wanted to tidy up while I had the time, had the energy. My son was still napping, so I just kept on going. So I'm just going to pick up all the toys, put them in their little baskets. I know that they're gonna come out as soon as my son wakes up from his nap, but for now, I can just enjoy a perfectly clean living room during nap time. So I'm just going to pick those up and start wiping down all of the surfaces in the living room. I'm going to wipe down the coffee table, and then we were smart enough to put felt feet on this coffee table, so it's very, very easy for me to move. So I just push that right out of the way so that I can vacuum everything. I don't have to vacuum around it. It's the best. After I shake out those throw pillows and the throw blanket, I'm just going to vacuum the floor, and I also vacuum the couch today. I have not been having the energy or the back strength to do this, but I don't know, I was just nesting hardcore. I had all the energy in the world this day, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the couch as well, get any dog hair, crumbs, anything like that. As you can see, my son also ripped up a napkin and he was playing with that, so I vacuumed that up. And then we are going to use my O-Cedar quick mop to mop in here. Of course, I would have loved to kind of deep clean the floor and bring out the O-Cedar spin mop, but I just knew I was gonna push it way too hard with my back doing that, so I just did the O-Cedar quick mop. It works just fine. The floors were perfectly fine and clean afterwards, so that's good to go. Just gonna vacuum the couch, put all the throw pillows and blankets back, and spray it down with a little bit of my Downy April Fresh fabric softener with some water to get it smelling fresh and feeling soft, and then continue with that floor. So as you can see, we got the rocking chair out of storage since I am about to have this baby. Definitely want to have that around. I just moved that out of the corner so I could vacuum and mop where it normally is. And then I put it back and vacuum and mop the rest of the living room. And then I'm just going to slide the coffee table right back to where it was, and the living room is done. Then I made sure to vacuum the rest of the upstairs and mop it as well. So down the hallway, the dining room, the kitchen, all of that. I couldn't get every single thing on camera, but y'all get the gist. I just vacuumed and quick mopped every single thing under all the chairs, under the bar stools, everything, so the floor is totally fresh and clean. I try to do this every single day on the hardwood floor because it just feels like there's always dirt, there's always crumbs from my son, there's always dog hair from the dogs, there's always something, and it drives me absolutely nuts to have a dirty floor or like see the dog hair on the floor. So I try my best to vacuum and mop every day. I know that's probably not going to happen once we have the baby because life just gets crazy, but I try to do it every day just for me, honestly. I don't think my husband or my son even care, but it drives me absolutely nuts. So that's why I try to do it. And that was everything that I got done during nap time. I waited for my son to wake up and we did a quick little grocery haul. I just went and picked it up. I do Walmart pickup every single time, or Albertsons, whoever has my stuff in stock, that's where I go. So this is just a quick little overview, and then I wish it was that fast to actually put the groceries away, but one can dream. And that is the after of the kitchen, fully clean, restocked with the groceries. I just turn on my wax melts and light my candles to keep the clean vibes going. And then we are going to tackle some laundry, and then we're going to do a little bit of restocking in the laundry room as well. So while I was cleaning throughout the day, I was just flipping laundry, wash, dry, wash, dry, wash, dry. And then I usually just dump it in our guest room, which is the room you're seeing right now, so I can just fold it all later. So I folded everything, hung everything, put everything away. And since I was literally 100% caught up on my laundry, I thought this was the perfect time to restock. I had gotten everything I needed to restock in my Walmart haul. So this is just me restocking, and then I show you guys kind of my little setup in my laundry room. It's not the cutest ever, but it's cute, it works. So I have my laundry detergent, softener, OxiClean spray, OxiClean powder, and my 2 scent boosters. And then if you're curious why I have the 2 small ones, they're just easier to get down. And then I refill my detergent and softener from these 2 big ones, and that is my downstairs cleaning kit right there. So that is my little laundry room stash. And as you can see, I also had my dryer sheets and my essential oils up at the top. I kind of have some random dryer sheets right now because they've been gifted to us over time, but I usually just have Downy April Fresh everything. That's my favorite laundry scent. So yeah, that is all the cleaning that we got done today, you guys. I hope you found this very motivational. If you did, let me know down below. And if you're still cleaning, I have an entire playlist that I list in my description box. I will link that down below as well, so you can keep going if you are still cleaning. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.